Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome to the DIY Yardie channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome if it's your first time. In this video, I'm working on a BMW X6. And the issue with this car is it had a broken drive belt. And after the belt was replaced, the car, started coming up with some issues where it was hard start, running rough. Check engine light kicked on, and through a couple of codes. This P0171 was one of the codes it threw, saying too much air, not enough gas, and a couple of misfire codes, the P0300, along with pretty much all of the other misfire codes. So this is actually a common issue with these cars when the belt breaks. You have to remove the fan and remove the main pulley. And what happens is, behind the main pulley, once you get this removed, the belt will get lodged into the seal in the back of the pulley and push that seal into the engine block further than it's supposed to go. There can cause oil leaks, it can cause excessive air, and worst of all, the belt can actually get inside of the engine and cause further damage. Now, if this should happen to you, where you can see here, the belt has got inside and has actually got into the oil pickup, I would suggest, if that happens to you, remove the valve cover gasket, drain the oil, and check, to make sure you have no pieces of the belt inside of your engine, because that can, end up causing further damage down the road. All right. So you'd have to go ahead and clean all of that out, replace that seal with a new one, and I would replace the belt, pulleys, tensioner, and all of that in the process, because something happened to cause that belt to get damaged in the first place. All right. So hopefully this video helpful. It's a short video, just to give you a brief overview of what happened with this car. And after fixing that seal, that solved the issue. If this video was helpful to you, hey, this is DIY Yardie. Just give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, bless up.